Igbo brother, brother Chidera, Abi, so former Chidera. So we met him in here in Muna. So what took my attention about him was this is this tattoo I saw on his hand, and I asked him, "How did you get this tattoo?" He now explained something to me that I want people to listen to. Please, brother, can you tell us how you got this tattoo? And are you now a Muslim? And what's your Muslim name?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So my name's Emmanuel Chidera Muhammad, and
I
I'm
speak
from
louder, sir.
okay, and I'm from okay. My name's Muhammad Chidera Emmanuel. I'm from Anambra State, and Alhamdulillah, I'm a Muslim.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, and I'm here for Hajj 2025. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
So to cut the long story short, I was in Turkey for my masters, and then I was having a conversation with a Muslim brother. And at that time, I did not know he was a Muslim. So may Allah guide him and keep him on the straight path. So his name is Wali Muhammad. And we're having a conversation about tattoos. Where did you draw your tattoo? It's fine. What does this one mean? And those kind of stuff. Because he has a tattoo too as well.
It was the tattoo.
Yes, yes.
Allah Akbar.
So, and somehow, I can't remember, but somehow we got into the conversation about religion. And then I asked him, what are you? Are you a Muslim or what are you? I was thinking, I don't know his religion at that time. He says he's a Muslim. And he asked us, then I was a Christian. And one other guy, Kester, he said that he's a free thinker. I said, okay. So, and I asked him, as a Muslim, do people believe in Jesus Christ? He said, yes. That was the first time I heard that Muslims believe in Jesus Christ. And that was like a sparking moment for me in my life. I was like, that was very interesting. And then I said that to even make it more interesting, that as a Muslim, if you don't believe in Jesus Christ, you're not a Muslim. So that's got me very intrigued. And even before that conversation, I don't have, I had a Muslim friend, Ismail, and I forgot his name, Abdul Salam or something. But we've never spoken about Islam before. You understand? I've never had any direct contact with a Muslim before. So I've not read the Quran before. I don't know who the Prophet was. Nothing. I don't have any like no doubt or anything. But that conversation alone, I was not intrigued. He told me something about Islam, just like 10, 15 minutes conversation. And I asked him, if a person wants to become a Muslim, what does he have to do? He said just to say the Shahada and do ablution or something and take a bath. I said, okay, I would like to be a Muslim.
Allahu Akbar.
And this was happening in less than 30 minutes.
Allahu Akbar.
And then he took me, I did ablution. I said,
What year is that?
2023, June.
2023.
Yes,
You accepted Islam
2023.
2023.
Yes.
And you came Hajj 2025.